going to be unboxing the 2020 Fall FabFitFun box. Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. Today I'm going to be opening up my Fall FabFitFun box. I love fall. I love the colors, I love the sweaters, I just love fall. So when FabFitFun was having the fall box, I was excited for it. So let's see if the fall FabFitFun box is actually worth it or not. So let's see everything that I got in the box. Now they actually put the label on top of the box, so I can't like show you all of it, but here is the box. They are trying to do it more eco-friendly, and this is made out of craft paper, and the artists who create the designs have to use less ink, and I think that is so nice. I love to use my FabFitFun boxes as storage or as gift boxes, so if you get them, you can use them for that. So let's get in here and see what I got in my fall FabFitFun box and see if it was actually worth the money. So like always, you get some coupons. The next thing here is the magazine, which they have changed it up a little bit and it's not as glossy anymore. I really like this, and the magazines are actually really nice. They have a lot of information in here. They're really fun. You get like a word search in here. You get a lot to read. Like there's food. Now I'm hungry. And you also get the most exciting part, which explains everything that is in the box. I have already highlighted all the items that I got. I've done some research on some of them. I have tried some of them out, and I'm just excited to share with you everything that I got in my box. So let's get into customization number one. For customization number one, I chose the Botcure New York Bond Tote. This retails for $128. I love this tote. I just love how the outside of this tote is an easy material to wipe if it gets dirty. It has beautiful leather accents. It's all black. It's so minimal. It's so just nice. Like this is my vibe, okay? I love how it has a zip closure because some purses don't zip, and that is something huge for me. I like to make sure that my items can zip so that no one can get in it. Here comes my dog. Now, here's the thing. You can use this for makeup. You can use this for day-to-day as a carry-on bag. You can use this to put like a laptop or a tablet in. The zippers on the side are not actually like pockets, but what I think these are designed for is sometimes if you have like a laptop or a tablet, sometimes you want some extra room or you want the bag to be a specific way. So if you open the zipper up, it may change the shape of the bag, where if you have it shut, it may be like a little bit more round maybe. That's how my bags were in the past. But inside the bag, you have so much room, and you also have lots and lots of pockets. So you have so many pockets on the inside. Again, it's something really, really easy to clean, which I like. If I was out in the store and I seen this bag, I would be really interested in getting it for like a daily bag. I probably wouldn't pay the full price. I would probably pay half of the price. So I'm happy it came in the box. I have received many bags in the past from FabFitFun, and they're really cute, they're really pretty, but none of them I really stuck with. Where I feel like this I will, because it's very, very minimal and very, very nice. I want to film a video where I do maybe like a what's in my purse as a minimalist or something like that, because I feel like what I carry with me now is a lot more minimal than I used to carry, and I know this is going to be like my everyday bag. So I'm very, very happy with my first choice. For customization number two, I had a hard time picking what I wanted. I told them to choose for me because I was kind of interested in seeing what they would choose for me. I ended up getting the hair removal device. This says it retails for $59. I have watched many others open up their boxes who have had this, and after seeing pictures, it's honestly almost like one of those men's razors where instead of having like 3 little razor blades, there's only one. This, you do need a AA battery, and it's just like a little razor. So I feel like this device would honestly just sit for me, or I would use it like once or twice and never use it again. I actually have like a bin of products that I'm just doing a local giveaway for, so I'm actually going to include this in there, so I'm not going to take it out. But this for me was just not really worth it. I wasn't interested in it. So for customization number two, I got the glossy cosmetics hair removal device. It was just not it for me, but that's okay because I can give it away to someone who will use it and appreciate it. Customization number 3. This again I had a very hard time with because I wasn't really vibing with anything that was in here. So I asked them to choose for me and they did a pretty good job. So I got the multivitamin mask. This is the Radiant Complexion sheet masks, and I have heard amazing things about these. These are just super cute packaging. I love having sheet masks because I feel like if you don't use them right away, that's okay. It's not like when you open it, you have to use it or it'll dry out. I wanted to make sure that when I went on their website, the ingredients on the back of these matched the website, and they did. You're able to see the ingredient list on their website. Their website was really nice. That's important to me. Very happy about it. I love the packaging. Like this packaging, the packaging of the sheet mask, great. You get 5 of them, which is pretty good, and these retail for $40. They have vitamins B3, B5, B6, E, C. Like these sound really good. So I'm very excited to give these a try and see how they are. Moving on to customization number 4, this one here, I knew right away. I knew right away when I heard it. When there was the option of having the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, that was it for me. And here it is. I chose it. I made sure to go on there and snag it because I wanted it that badly. Like there was a couple of other things in here that I was kind of like, ooh, that would be nice, but I need the brow gel. So I kept the brow gel. So this retails for $22 and it is big. You get a lot of product in here. And I actually used it today. And the only thing that I would say about this is the actual like wand on it is a little bit big for me personally, just a tad big, but the packaging, I love. The formula, I love. Actually, when I got it yesterday, I just put it on. I had nothing underneath. I put it on. It's comfortable. I really like it. I feel like it keeps your eyebrows in place. It's not like sticky. It's not tacky. You do feel it. Like if you feel your eyebrows, you do feel it. But I really like it. It's not too heavy and it doesn't feel like too much personally. The only thing is the applicator is a little bit big for me. So I actually went online to make sure that this one was the actual one and not just formulated for FabFitFun, and it is the actual one. So I'm used to using my ColourPop one, which I just ran out of, so I'm gonna see how long this one lasts me because it is pricier, but guys, like when I heard this was in there, I was like, that's it, that's all I want. Like I just want the brow gel. That's all I wanted. So I'm really happy to have this, and like this for me made the box. This for me honestly just made the box. Can they please have more things like this in the box? Anastasia Beverly Hills, like really? Of course, that's what I'm going to pick. Customization number 5 for me was another very easy one. I chose the Harper and Ari sugar cubes. This one for me though, I want to mention just a couple of things. I have used these in the past and I love these so much. They're honestly like my favorite exfoliating product because they're in cubes. You can break them in half if you don't want to have like the full size cube. They last a really long time. They smell amazing. They work very well. They're a really nice exfoliant. Like I love these. But these here that you got in the FabFitFun box are different packaging than what's on their website, and you're not actually able to see the ingredients on their website, and there was like a size difference. So I do believe that this says 4 ounces where on their website it says 5 ounces. The packaging is a little bit different, so I'm not sure if they just updated it. So on FabFitFun's booklet, it says they're $16, where on their website it says $15. So I'm not sure if they're just like repackaging them, reformulating them, and updating them, but I just wanted to let you know that. But I love these, love them. Whenever I have the chance to put these in my box, I will. Like I didn't bat an eye looking at everything else because I just wanted these. Like these just made it for me. They smell amazing. They just smell like almost like an appley juice. Like, I just want to eat them, but I'm not going to. So it's just, oh, they're great. Honestly, they're great. If you have the chance to put these in your box, I would recommend trying them, because this and the sponge gel for me, like whenever these are the options, it's like I'm getting them. And that's that. Customization number 6 is something that FabFitFun would pick for you. FabFitFun actually picked the pumpkin spice petty in a box, and I'm really excited because this is really, really fall for me. I don't have anything like this in my extra products, and I don't really buy anything like this, so I'm really, really excited for it. If you want to see the ingredients online, you can go to the FabFitFun website, because I didn't actually see it on the Voesh New York website. I think that's how you pronounce it. But anyway, Voesh, I think it's called Voesh, I'm not sure. I couldn't find the ingredients on their website, but I did find it on FabFitFun. But regardless, this here is just so cute. You do get 2 of them, which is really, really cool. I like how they're packaged. I feel like I am so going to do this in the fall. I'm really, really excited to. I'm happy that I have this. This is fall. This is just fall. It retails for $20, which I feel like is really, really good, because pedicures are expensive. For customization number 7, I ended up getting the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect, why did I say that weird? Perfect hair treatment mask. This here retails for $16. It's to restore dull hair from the scalp to strands with keratin technology, argan, and prickly pearl oils. This sounds prickly. Prickly? Anyway, this sounds amazing. I went online to see if the ingredients for this was the same as what you know, I take a break just to go to the grocery store, just to have dinner. I come back to film and I can't say anything. Okay. Anyway, the ingredients on the bottle match the ingredients on the website, and I loved their website. It was so informative. It was so descriptive. It was very, very nice. And the smell of this mask is just so nice, so light, just really nice and fresh. I really want to use it, and I can't wait to use it. I find a hair mask is something that is always good to have. Even if you have 2 or 3, I feel like I go through hair masks quite often, because I like to make sure I'm using them at least, you know, 2 or 3 times a month. And this one here is cruelty free. You leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. It's good for your ends and your scalp, which is good. Because I'm blonde, I do like to make sure that my mask is able to go as high as possible. So this is gonna be good to help get the hair, not just the ends, but help to get around my scalp area also. It's really good ingredients in here. This is the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, color safe bamboo, stem cell technology. You get 200 milliliters like this here. This is perfect. I can't wait to use this. I'm really excited. And we are slowly creeping up to winter, and winter time you need hair masks. So this here I can't wait to try out, and I've never heard of this brand before. The last item in the box, I ended up getting the Beauty Crop Glow Milk in Blind Date. This retails for $19.50. It's rose gold packaging. I want to keep it in the packaging because that's how cute it is. Look how cute that is. Like, really? So the ingredients are on the bottom. The ingredients match what's on the website, which is nice. It comes in a glass jar. You have a dropper applicator, and let me tell you, the dropper works. I hate when there are droppers and they don't work. This one works. I used it today. This is so nice. I'm not wearing any foundation. I'm only wearing concealer. I'm only wearing a little bit of eyeshadow, just some eye products, you know, and I put some of this on, and I love this so, so much. It's just, it's so, so pretty. Like, and it almost like dries down to like almost like a powdery type of finish, and it just, oh my goodness, it just looks so nice. So the funny thing is I'm not one that typically likes coconut oil in products because I feel like coconut oil can be a little bit heavy on my skin, but this is so nice and light, and it's just got that, like, I don't want to say oily feel to it, but it's not like super creamy and heavy. It's just so nice and light. I love it. Like, I would honestly want to put more on. I feel like this is going to be used every single day. This is also cruelty free. You get 15 milliliters of product in here. So happy that I have this, and I'm actually really happy that they picked it for me. I'm going to put it back in the box because I love the box so much. But I'm so happy. Because I'm from Canada, this box for me is $65. The total of my box was $321.49. I'm so happy with everything I got in my box. So let me know in the comments down below if you get FabFitFun or not, or what your favorite product was. I feel like this month was really worth it, and if you're interested in getting it, you can always wait until the boxes go on sale. I'm really excited to see what they come out with for their winter box. Make sure to go check out all of my social medias, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.